Hello friends, I am Dr. Anju Jha, Assistant Professor, Government Nagarjun Postgraduate Science College, Raipur. Here I am going to discuss anti-malarial drugs, which is a part of MSc 4th semester, Paper 2, Medicinal Chemistry, Unit 4, Part C. This video is the second part of anti-malarial drugs. In this video, I am discuss 4 aminoquinoline drugs, saccharidine derivative drugs, bioguanidine drugs, and pyrimidine drugs. First, we will start 4 amino quinoline drugs, centoquine. The synthesis of centoquine: when M-chloroaniline is treated with diethyl ester of methylated oxosuccinate, a new compound 4,7-dichloro-3-methylquinoline is formed. This compound is treated with 2-amino-5-diethylamino-pentane to form centoquine. Centoquine drug is found to be effective against amoebic hepatitis in men as well as hamster. This drug is also found to be active against the erythrocytic forms of most malarial parasites, ultimately affecting a clinical cure. They do not cause prevention of the diseases and they are inactive against the liver infective forms. Next, mepacrine. Mepacrine is the acridine derivative. The synthesis of mepacrine is in 4 steps. First step, preparation of side chain 4-diethylamine 1-methyl-butylamine. Second step B, preparation of acridine nucleus 2,5-dichloro-7-methoxyacridine. Step C, condensation of step A and B, and step D, preparation of the hydrochloride salt. Step A, preparation of side chain: when ethylene oxide is treated with diethylamine in the presence of methyl alcohol and hydrochloric acid to form a 2-hydroxy triethylamine hydrochloride. This again treated with thionyl chloride to form 1-chloro-diethylamine. This compound is treated with ethyl acetoacetate to form intermediate product. This intermediate product undergo hydrolysis. 1 mole of ethyl alcohol and 1 mole of CO2 released and new compound formed. This compound is 1-acetyl-3-diethylaminopropane. 1-acetyl-3-diethylaminopropane undergo reduction in the presence of Raney nickel and then oxidation form 4-diethylamine 1-methyl-butylamine. Second step, preparation of the acridine nucleus. When 2,4-dichlorotoluene is oxidized in the presence of KMnO4, which is a strong oxidizing agent, 2,4-dichlorobenzoic acid is formed. 2,4-dichlorobenzoic acid is treated with 4-amino-anisole in the presence of potassium hydroxide and N-butanol at 220 degrees centigrade. 4-chloro-2,4-methoxyaniline benzoic acid is formed. This compound undergoes cyclization in the presence of phosphorus trichloroxytrichloride POCl3 or SOCl2, form 2,5-dichloro-7-methoxyacridine. Step 3, 2,5-dichloro-7-methoxyacridine is condensed with 4-diethylamine 1-methyl-butylamine to form mepacrine base. Mepacrine base is treated with 1 mole of HCl form mepacrine hydrochloride. Mepacrine hydrochloride inhibits the erythrocytic state of development of the malarial parasite. It is more toxic and less effective than chloroquine. Mepacrine hydrochloride is considered neither as a casual prophylactic nor as a radical curative agent. It is found to be more toxic and less effective than chloroquine. Besides, it has also been used in giardiasis, amoebiasis, tapeworm and pinworm infestation. Next, acridine derivative azacrine. Azathioprine drug, along with its two acridine structural analog, namely acriquine and azathioprine, were introduced based on a combined structural features of 8-aminophenoline and 4-aminophenoline, but were not so successful due to their high toxicity. Next, polydrine. It is a biquinide derivative. It is also known as proguanyl hydrochloride. The synthesis of polydrine is the first step, preparation of parachloroguanidine. Second step, preparation of isopropylsanamide. Step C, condensation of step A and B, and step D, hydrochloride salt. Step A, preparation of parachlorophenylguanidine. When parachloronitrobenzene undergo reduction to form parachloroaniline, parachloroaniline is treated with cyanogen bromide to form parachlorophenyl aminocyanide. This compound undergo amination form parachlorophenylguanidine. Step B, preparation of isopropyl sanamide. When isopropionic acid is treated with thionyl chloride to form isopropyl chloride, this compound is treated with ammonia, form isopropionamide. Isopropionamide undergo decarboxylation, isopropylamine is formed. Isopropylamine is treated with cyanogen bromide. A new compound, isopropylsanamide, is formed. Step C, when isopropylsanamide is condensed with parachlorophenylguanidine, a proguanyl base is formed. This base is treated with 1 mole of HCl, proguanyl hydrochloride or polydrine drugs is formed. It is an antimalarial drug whose metabolites is a potent dihydrofolate reductase inhibitors. It is active against the pre-erythrocytic liver forms of malaria. It is also active against the erythrocytic forms, but their activity is slow. Here, polydrine is used mainly prophylactic treatment of malaria. And next drug is pyrimethine. Pyrimethine is the derivative of pyridine drugs. Preparation of pyrimethine. When ethyl propionate is condensed with parachlorophenyl acetonitrile, alpha propional parachlorophenyl acetonitrile, lactam form is formed. Lactam form undergo tautomerism. Lactine form is formed. Lactine form is treated with isoamyl alcohol. Hemiacetal is formed. Hemiacetal undergo dehydration. Alpha parachlorophenyl beta ethyl para isoamyloxy acrylonitrile is formed. This compound is treated with guanidine. 1 mole of isoamyl alcohol released and intermediate compound is formed. This intermediate compound undergoes cyclization. Pyrimethine is formed. Pyrimethine drugs inhibits dihydrofolate reductase in plasma, and thereby the developing parasite cannot synthesize and use nucleic acid precursors needed for their normal growth. It is also a help in rendering the parasite incapable of sporulating in the mosquito, whereby the life cycle of the parasite is disrupted squarely. Thank you.